Today we demo some benefit you can use. So the demo is run the Python inside the Docker container with the VS Code. So let's go to the summary, to the benefit first. So you don't need to do the pipe install or any virtual environment for running the VS Code inside the container. So let me show you. First, you need to have your own Docker service running. So I already have. So I can show you is my Docker compose file. We have many service, database, Kafka, and the Flink, and the superset. The important part we want to demo is the automation service. They including all the Python script we want to test inside this container. So we will focus to use our VS Code inside this automation container. So after you running your Docker, then you can check. Make sure your Docker is running first. Then we can go to the next one. You need to create a JSON file. This one. Okay. So this is the service name, and using the Docker Compose YAML file, and the other one is straightforward. Then we can open the VSCode. Okay, then we go to select the folder with the YAML file. So for example, in my folder is the JDP02 repository. Then once you go here, it will remind you because it detected, let me explain, because it detected this JSON file, so it's asking you to have permission to go inside the container in this one. Okay, so and then we can say yes please. So let's open. Then it will go to the container inside it. So right now it's nothing special, but you can see the folder is inside app folder here. So you see right now the path is app, which is inside the container, but right now my path is different, right? So for example, if somebody clone your code and he want to run the code, usually you will do right, then use the bin and active, correct, and you do the pipe install for everything. So it's very kind of wasting time because you need to do this manually. But once you have your Docker Compose and your Docker file in the place, you can simply just run the build, and all the dependency will automatically running inside the container. So for example, right now if I want to do this one, I remember I have one program is like this. This is used for Kafka. Then you will say default. No, I don't have the Kafka module. It's normal, right? Because you need to install the Kafka in different devices every time you copy the repository. You need to do the install package by your own. But inside the container is different. You don't need to do anything because the installation package is already, the Docker is doing for you. So you can run your test directly, like here, sync, streamer. This is used for Kafka. So let me show you why this is working. So right now we have our Kafka service running and listen to one topic. Right now we have 10 messages already. So if I keep pumping, oh sorry, Then I believe this is file JSON file, so I pop another file into it. So let me refresh. See, you can directly see the Kafka service directly connect, integrate with your Python without install anything. You don't need to do that. Okay, you just run it and test and then modify any code here, and once you are done, then you can save and push your GitHub back to the remote and to the merge to the main. Okay, so this will help you to solving any package dependency. So let me check if anything I'm missing right now. So right now I have demo the Docker PS and the container JSON. You need to make sure the name, service name here, and you need to reopen the container. So it's okay, it's all done. So let's do a recap. So you don't need to mismatch issues, consist with all your Python versions, and just Docker compose up and everything you can start to develop by your own. Oh yes, there's one thing I didn't mention. You need to install the package here. So you need to install the this one. You need to install this one. So this will work only you install this package dev container. Okay, so I hope you can learn something from this. Okay, thank you. Ciao ciao.